Every time I've said, I got this now. I'm so good at this. I can just count on making money. I don't have to do the work. I don't have to do the homework. I don't have to do anything. Every time I've said that to myself, internally or externally, there's been danger at the door. Market will always bring you humility when you get a little ahead of yourself.
Markets are not done, even though our finest number one trader on the leaderboard, we call it a day, well-deserved. $12,000 day Dakota yesterday. Just incredible.
Hey, there's the top 10 leaderboard. If anybody here at Topstep wants to challenge me, just show up, show me. But the challenge is mainly for everyone outside of Topstep, and it's evolved around transparency.
I bled Pete for a drug test once. My
Really?
blood was clean, but I found out I was pregnant.
No, come on. Come on.
Scare money does not make money, absolutely. But you do have to take a chance. You do have to take a leap of faith, and that's not a blind leap of faith. That is a calculated leap. This is how much I can afford to risk. If you're going to play the lottery, all you got is $10. You're like, I'm going to play $1. You stick to that $1. All you need is one ticket anyway, right? So why would you bet the whole $10? Right? And that's part of discipline.
So what we want to do is give ourselves enough learning time, as we mentioned in simulation, trading small enough that we're not going to get emotionally caught up in the trading, and gradually build that, just like the surgeon, so that the right behaviors, the right trading becomes second nature, and we don't go on tilt.